How to download DawnCraft. Hi there, today learn about how to download DawnCraft here on your computer. So first things first, you need to open your browser and go to curseforge.com. What you need to do is to download this application first before we are able to download DawnCraft. Here, when you go to CurseForge, you will be routed into this page where you actually have options to download it through Mac, Linux, or through your Windows. So you just need to click on the Windows depending on what your device is. When you click on download, wait for it to fully load onto your account. And once done, you just need to install that into your computer, and there you will have the CurseForge application. From here, what you need to do is to install Minecraft and go to browse mod packs. From here, what you need to do is search on the search bar DawnCraft. Make sure there will be no spaces so that you will be able to install the correct mod pack. Here, and as you can see, just click on DawnCraft and then click on install. Here, before you click on install, you can actually view the overviews, the screenshots, and the versions of this mod pack here. So when you click on install, you just wait for it to load up. This may take a while because I just here, then it will install into your computer. Once fully installed, you just need to click on play and then wait for the Minecraft application to load up. And there you have it. The Minecraft is already downloaded, and once you are logged in, you will definitely be able to use DawnCraft on your mod pack. And that's the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.